Hi, this is Emily from Prepper Pug with a project today for the shortage of the toilet tissue for this COVID-19. We're going to make a spray bidet, aka butt blaster. And here with me today is Shane DiMappasante, who's going into our sample stuff today. He's fueling up for his project.
Not too much. Into my mind.
Okay. Well, he's going to be demonstrating how we build the butt blaster or spray bidet. So first we get a 1-gallon pump sprayer from the garden center. We got this one. It was on sale at time of purchase for $7.99 at Menards here in the Midwest. Look at him go. Ta-da! Ta-da! Alright. He has unplugged it. So we're going to look at the parts. We don't need the spray wand, but we do need that hose. Open it. We're going to peer in while it opens. Alrighty. So right now he's going to take off the little warning tab there. And he's looking at me.
What do you want me to do?
Okay, we got the hose. Got the hose stuff? You do still need the hose stuff. You just don't need the spray wand. We are doing this live, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so we're going to go cut where the spray wand is. Whoa, 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 whoa. We do still need this connection. We're going to put that back. Whoopsies. Look at him, he's doing it the smart way. I did it freehand. This is why we should always have a smart Shane with us.
Always try to cut away from myself.
Except for when he cut with himself, but yeah. We got that caught on camera, by the way. Okay, I'm going to go thread the little snake through the hole right there. Doing this one-handed.
You want me to tighten it up now? See your point.
Yeah. Shane gonna tighten it up with his man hands there. Check out those man hands. Woo! You don't need pliers. You don't need to tighten it too tight.
Not too tight.
Just, yeah. Yeah, because since it's plastic, if you tighten it too tight, you risk crossing threads. Okay, at this point, we grab ourselves a nice little hose clamp. In my first mock-up, I almost forgot the hose clamp. Over toward the table. So that's where the camera's at. Yeah. Scooting it up.
Now we go to the clamp. What's next?
What's next is we have this female 3/4 hose bib adapter to quarter barb, and we just push that through the hole on the hose there. And we just push, and we push until it happens. To make this particular part easy, if you have some hot water with you available, that makes the process a bit easier. Okay, sweetie.
Hmm?
Cup it in your hand. Okay, I'm going to let you hold the crammer here. We're just going to scoot it up. Scoot it up. Alright.
That's perfect.
Scoot that up, and we're going to put that right there. And we'll tighten the... And then we tighten the hose clamp when we find the thing to tighten the clothes hamp with. Ah, found it. Gonna pass the camera over to Shane there. Alrighty. Give him the tool to tighten the hose clamp. Okay, so this isn't necessarily a two-person job, but it does make it more fun.
Yeah, let me see.
He's gonna take over. Scoot that down.
Hmm?
Gotta keep it tight.
I'm a dishwasher. I don't even do things like this.
Alright, we're back, and the hose clamp is tightened against there. Now the next step is you find your sprayer. Now I got this from the clearance bin at Walmart for $1. But, as he's demonstrating, that's a female connection. It's another female connection. Well, that's not going to work. So we have this nice union thing, nylon union, that I got from Menards. And it's plastic because the sprayer is also plastic. So I'm going to let Shane put that together for me. Working those man hands.
Mm-hmm. Dishwasher hands. That's what I like to call them.
Yes. They are full of really good grip. Okay, and just like with the magic of cooking shows, we have one that's already done. With a wayward sprayer. And all you have to do is pump it. And let me put this on the tripod. This is where things are really wild. Okay, all we have to do is pump it.
The truck stop isn't like this one.
So you pump it several times, and as my boo's going to demonstrate with his man hands how to spray off. Okay, and this one has 7 different spray patterns. I think he's on cone right now. There's jet, there's spray, shower, full on. Also important to check it for leaks. So he's going through all the spray motions. Now for the fun bit. He gets to spray his hand with peanut butter. We get to spray it all. So we are going to simulate a soiled bottom. Oh, he's going to get it all up in the grooves.
That way I don't need no soap. This is just temporary.
I think he's also using the peanut butter for moisturizer.
Hey. Human.
Okay, do I see the peanut butter?
Oh, you want to actually see a lot of peanut butter?
Yes.
Alright.
Yeah, it's supposed to simulate poop.
You don't have that much poop on their hands? They don't need to use one of these. They need to use some peanut butter. So
Okay, honey.
Get poop on the back of my hand or the front?
Well, now we have to use both hands, so we gonna use both hands today. We are spraying off hands today. Go on back down here. We're gonna bring the party bucket. Okay, so now our hand model, Shane, is going to let us spray off his hands. If I can keep the camera angle straight. Okay. Down. There we go. And then we get to choose which mode we think will be the best for it. We got jet, mist, full. Yeah, I'm thinking shower. So we're going to shower off his hands. Okay, so shower isn't really cutting it, so we're going to go ahead and jet. Okay, looks like I'm running out of water. Gonna fill up the water again. Okay, and we're back. Spraying it off. Now, hopefully, you won't be as smeared as my boo with his peanut butter.
As cold.
One of the advantages of using a pump sprayer is that if you leave it in your bathroom or other parts, that you'll be using room temperature water. And room temperature water is going to be a lot less shocking to the system than plumb directly to your toilet and have spraying cold water on yourself. So, this is Prepper Pug, and thank you for watching. Bye-bye.